Today we're going to film something everyone's interested in: how to change the blade. First, let me show you this utility knife. As you can see, it comes in 4 colors, and this is on my desk. To change the blade, you first need to unscrew the screw. I used a flathead screwdriver, which did the trick, but you can also use your hand. Then, use one finger to push the blade upwards to remove it. This knife also comes with 1 screw and 4 blades. Replace the new blade and finally tighten the screw. Now it's a very sharp utility knife again. Let me demonstrate its sharpness. By cutting a piece of wood, it's incredibly sharp. Did you learn how?